let's look at HSS-CP.B.7. This is where we introduce the addition rule. I don't really use that too much. I usually talk about an OR statement. An OR statement, of course, is when you are creating the union of two things. So this is about unions, this is about an OR statement, and they want us to maybe put it in a context or a model again, usually a Venn diagram to help kids understand that. This again we've already discussed this lightly in the first objective of this unit, and now we're hitting it again when it says calculate. Again, I put all that together. It's hard to distinguish building the concept from then trying it out. If I had to wait a week before I could try it out, we'd lose it. So this objective again slides around a little bit for me. The OR statement, of course, as you know, this isn't really a teaching spot, but I just want to talk a little briefly about this, the union or an OR statement. The typical issue, of course, here is the probability of a red card or a jack. So let's say we are in a standard deck of cards. Our OR statement or our union says all red cards. There's 26 of those. And jacks, there are 4, of course, in the deck. Now, the only trick with the addition rule, of course, is if there's an intersection. If they're overlapping each other, you counted the red cards and the jacks, and you counted some cards twice. Which ones did we count twice? The jack of diamonds and the jack of hearts. And so we've got to take those two back in our calculations. So we get 28 out of the 52. So this is the only little trick of the trade that typically trips them up, but the OR statement is usually a fairly straightforward one.